5. Warning. The motor compartment contains many mechanisms and fluids that may move suddenly, become hot, or become electrically energized. To avoid death or serious injury, observe the following precautions. When working on the motor compartment, be careful not to touch the high-voltage parts or hydrogen-related parts. Make sure that the ready indicator is off. Keep hands, clothing, and tools away from the moving fans. Be careful not to touch the motor, inverter, radiator, etc., right after driving, as they may be hot. Coolant and other fluids may also be hot. Do not leave anything that may burn easily, such as paper and rags, in the motor compartment. Do not smoke, cause sparks, or expose an open flame to the 12-volt tery. 12-volt battery fumes are flammable. Be extremely cautious when working on the 12-volt battery. It contains sonous, and corrosive sulfuric acid. Never touch, disassemble, remove or replace the high-voltage parts, cables, and their connectors. It can cause severe burns or electric shock that may result in death or serious injury. When working near the electric cooling fans or radiator grill, be sure the power switch is off. With the power switch in on mode, the electric cooling fans may automatically start to run if the air conditioning is on and/or the coolant temperature is high. 371. Safety glasses. Wear safety glasses to prevent flying or falling material, fluid spray, etc., from getting in your eyes. 366-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. Pull the hood lock release lever. The hood will pop up slightly. Pull up the auxiliary catch lever and lift the hood. 7-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. 367. Front. Rear. 368-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. 7-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. 369. Washer fluid tank. 373. Brake fluid reservoir. 372. Inverter coolant reservoir. 370. Fuse box. 402. Fuel cell stack coolant radiator. 371. Inverter coolant radiator. 371. Condenser. 371. Electric cooling fans. Fuel cell stack coolant reservoir. 370. Fuel cell stack coolant sub-radiator. 371. 370-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. The coolant level is satisfactory if it is between the full and low lines on the reservoir when the fuel cell system is cold. Full line, low line. If the level is on or below the low line, contact your Toyota dealer. The coolant level is satisfactory if it is between the full and low lines on the reservoir when the fuel cell system is cold. Inverter coolant reservoir cap, full line. Low line. If the level is on or below the low line, add coolant up to the full line. Inverter coolant selection. Only use Toyota Super Long Life Coolant, or a similar high-quality ethylene glycol-based non-silicate, non-amine, non-nitrite, and non-borate coolant with long-life hybrid organic acid technology. For the USA, Toyota Super Long Life Coolant is a mixture of 50% coolant and 50% deionized water. Minimum temperature, -31F-35C. For Canada, Toyota Super Long Life Coolant is a mixture of 55% coolant and 45% deionized water. Minimum temperature, -44F-42C. For more details about inverter coolant, contact your Toyota dealer. 7-3, do-it-yourself maintenance. 371. If the inverter coolant level drops within a short time of replenishing, visually check the radiators, hoses, inverter coolant reservoir cap, drain cock and water pump. If you cannot find a leak, have your Toyota dealer test the cap and check for leaks in the cooling system. Check the radiator and condenser and clear away any foreign objects. If either of the above parts is extremely dirty or you are not sure of their condition, have your vehicle inspected by your Toyota dealer. 372-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. Checking fluid level. The brake fluid level should be between the max and min lines on the tank. Max. Min. Adding fluid. Make sure to check the fluid type and prepare the necessary item. Fluid type FMVSS number 116 DOT3 or SAE J1703 brake fluid, or FMVSS number 116 DOT4 or SAE J1704 brake fluid. Item clean funnel. Brake fluid can absorb moisture from the air. Excess moisture in the brake fluid can cause a dangerous loss of braking efficiency. Use only newly opened brake fluid.